In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on stake future while talking about the stake cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to in every practical sense. Think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like stake. Presently, we should head into it amazingly. Before we dive profound into the stake value forecast and answer questions in the event that stake is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will stake succeed or come up short, or for what reason will stake value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what stake truly is and its to-date history. Stake value expectation for the following 90 days, which for the most part is very huge. The truly entire crypto world fundamentally is on an edge of an undeniable, for the most part, bear market in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market really drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into significantly more really stable business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe basically play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the truly second piece of the year, in an unpretentious manner. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2022 forecasts amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in a real sense start to basically do likewise. We have seen this situation many essentially times in the separated and sort of later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model certainly is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and fundamentally other greater players in the market to really wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other kind of restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-11-20, which truly is very huge. 3.85% $1032022 1121 plus 2.00% $1092022 1122 plus 3.24% $1112022 1123 4.09% $1032022 1124, which is very critical. 4.98% $1022022 1125 2.49% $1052022 1126, which is very huge. 2.25% $1052022 1127, or so they thought. 5.22% $1022022 1128, which is very huge. 1.31% $1062022 1129, in spite of mainstream thinking. 8.35% $098302022 1130. 9.22% 97 cents STAKE value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure at sort of the least for the main quarter of 2022 preceding. We generally see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 22.32% $08332 2023 Jan. 34.99% $06973 2023 Feb, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 26.02% $07935 2023 blemish in a significant manner. 18.85% $08705 2023 APRA, or so they thought. 15.17% $09099 2023 May in a significant manner. 13.14% $09317 2023 June, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 3.72% $1.03 2023 Jul. 4.05% $1.03 2023 Aug. Plus 6.32% $1.14 2023 Sep, or so they thought. Plus 16.43% $1.25 2023 Oct. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. plus 14.32% $1.23 2023 NOV, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking, plus 23.60% $1.33 STAKE value forecast 2025 to 2030-2040. Our forecast model sees stake arriving at new highs in 2025, $2.63, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Stake cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to explicitly be 2 or 3 significant degrees higher than our 2025 forecast. What will stake essentially be really worth in 5 years? The cost of stake in 5 years could lie around $3, which for the most part is very huge. What stake will fundamentally be really worth in 2030, which is very critical. Our anticipating model sees stake coming to $6 in 2030, which is genuinely critical. What stake will be truly worth in 2040, which basically is genuinely critical. Our determining model sees stake coming to $10 in 2040 in a significant manner. Will stake swap generally outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in a significant manner? No, stake won't actually supplant or surpass BTC. Could stake reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for stake to by and large reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will stake truly go in a huge manner? Our estimating model sees stake cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future, which is very critical. Is stake in every practical sense worth purchasing? We don't see a very brilliant future for stake in an essentially significant manner. It merits purchasing just as a sort of transient theory with a decent leave procedure and in every practical sense, significant way. Stake is definitely not a very decent kind of long-haul hold. Is stake a wise speculation? Stake especially is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't essentially have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the venture fundamentally is doubtful in an unpretentious manner. Could stake make you a tycoon? No, stake cannot for the most part cause you a mogul, as we don't by and large see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out, which by and large is very critical. How kind of much will stake certainly be worth, which is very critical. For the momentary future, it could reach 62 cents, which truly is very critical. In the long haul, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there, which sort of is very critical. For what reason will stake especially succeed and become more expensive? Stake has a kind of remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no extraordinary offer. It basically has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestall stake to truly succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible, which is very critical. What sort of is the momentary expectation for stake? Stake will really reach 62 cents in the genuinely next 90 days, which in every practical sense is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $1.07. Stake value expectation today. What will be